Konnichiwa, welcome to How to Japanese series. In this video, we will be looking at imasu versus arimasu again. In another video, I talked about using person or animal ga imasu to describe the existence of a person or an animal. We use object ga arimasu to describe the existence of a thing. If we would like to say where they exist, we will put the place in the beginning of a sentence with particle ni to indicate at this location a person, an animal, or thing exists. For example, Hana is describing to Taka what animal is near her. She says, ここに猫がいます. Here, near me, there is a cat. She then says, そこに犬がいます. There, near you, there is a dog. 木もあります. There's also a tree. She is using two different words of existence since it involves a dog and then a tree respectively. Not only we can use imasu and arimasu to describe there is a person, animal, or thing, their existence, we can also use imasu and arimasu to mean to have or has. The negative forms of imasu and arimasu are imasen and arimasen, respectively. They mean do not have or does not have. Here's my schedule from Monday through Friday, and I have a different activity every day. So on Monday, I have class. In Japanese, we would say, 月曜日にクラスがあります. On Tuesday, I have a part-time job to do. 火曜日にアルバイトがあります. On Wednesday, I have a test. 水曜日にテストがあります. On Thursday, I have a date. 木曜日にデートがあります. On Friday, I don't have class. 金曜日にクラスがありません. We use あります or ありません to describe I have or I don't have, since we're talking about events, not people or animals. Therefore, we cannot use います or いません. If the person would like to say I have money, he would say
お金があります.
I have a car.
車があります.
I have time. 時間があります. But for someone that doesn't have time, then it is
時間がありません.
Here, Hana, the little girl, is sharing her family photo. She says, 私の家族です. This is my family. お母さんとお父さんと弟がいます. I have a mother, a father, and a younger brother. Please note she's using imasu to say I have since she's talking about the people she has in her family. Therefore, using arimasu here will be incorrect. Below, please also find immediate family terms that may be useful for your situation. They are お姉さん, older sister, お兄さん, older brother, 妹, younger sister. Here the woman is saying she has a boyfriend. In Japanese, there are several ways to say this. 彼がいます or 彼氏がいます or 恋人がいます or ボーイフレンドがいます. Again, we're using います because we're talking about people. For him, he would like to say, I have a girlfriend. So he would say,
彼女がいます.
or
恋人がいます.
or
ガールフレンドがいます.
So how do we ask questions? Do you have money? お金がありますか? Person A would answer,
ええ、あります.
Person B would say,
いいえ、ありません.
Do you have a car? 車がありますか? Person A would say,
ええ、あります.
Person B would answer,
いいえ、ありません.
Let's ask Hana if she has an older brother. お兄さんがいますか? Since she only has a little brother, she would say, いいえ、いません. We can also ask people if they have a pet in their house. In Japanese, we would say, 家にペットがいますか? The answer is, ええ、犬がいます. She will use います since she is saying she has a dog, an animal. Therefore, using あります will be incorrect. I hope you will be able to use あります and います to describe what personal belongings you have, the relatives you have, and what pets you have. All you have to do is look up the words. That way you can talk about various topics and ask questions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. ではまた。